Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you new to Trello? So in this video, we are going to talk on exactly on the basics. So you will learn how to create a Trello board from scratch to manage projects, tasks, and more. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, once you open your account for the first time, you will have this dashboard right over here. In Trello, there is two things, or basically three things. There is the workspace, there is the board, and inside of the board, there is the lists. So boards are a part of a workspace and lists are a part of a board. First of all, to create a board, you have to choose a workspace that you want to create this board within it. For example, I have two workspaces. I have this one and Tesla. So I'm going with Tesla one. Here, I'm going to simply click either on create or right from here, or just this plus button. So both can work for you. Also, you can click on here. So there is variations of stuff that you can create it with. I'm gonna click here. In this area, you will have this window. It's pretty easy to understand. Here you pick the image, the background of the Trello board. I'm gonna choose color like blue one. Here you give it a title. So let's give it, for example, title tutorial. Here, visibility. So is it a private one so all members like board members and Tesla workspace admins can see and edit this board, or workspace, which means all members of the Tesla workspace can see and edit this board, in public. Anyone with the internet can see this board. Only board members can edit. Let's say that we can keep it as workspace and then click on create. Now below create is start with template. In case you would like to start simply with a template right through, like there is here a bunch of templates like one-on-one meeting agenda, company overview, design huddle. Let's go with project management, for example. I'm gonna go with this one, create, keep cards. And as you can see, with project management, you will have a template which is already made for you. So this is very good for those who doesn't know how to work with Trello and Trello list and board. This is very useful. Here you will have everything made for you correctly. For example, here project resources, questions for next meeting, to-do list, pending, blocked, done. Also there is images and stuff. Here, as you can see, for example, you can edit literally everything here. For example, Trello, like this is project resources, and here you find like these priority stuff, etc, etc. You can literally just click on them, click on this edit button, and you will be able to edit labels, as you can see here. So as you can see, you can click and basically edit labels. For example, set this as a high priority one, so you can simply just check priority, and basically it will like be meant that this is very important, this is the main priority of our work today, so everyone make sure to focus on this without like communicating with the person itself. Just by putting it here in Trello board or in Trello list, which is inside of the board, that will help you a lot. In the board itself, it has so many components that you need to understand. There is the first one, which is the board, as you can see here. So as you can see, you can turn the board into tables, which are these ones. You can turn it into calendar. As you can see, you can switch between them. There's dashboard, timeline, and map. So let me show you how it works. So this is the table here. Table, I don't really like it that much, but it is a kind of thing that can be helping you to have like a filter or source people. For example, you want to know who is working on this priority thing, so you simply have to go ahead, choose the priority, and basically here you'll find all the members and the due dates. So this is like an easy to see thing. Here more organized, just to know the task exactly, but here's with a little bit of details. In case you were interested in the calendar and the timing and the upcoming events, here you'll find it. Here the dashboard, which has all the analytics, so you can understand which are completed, which are not. Here timeline also. Here you'll find the map, and yeah, this is like basically in general. Here the boards, you can edit them, you can add power-ups to them and automations. Now what are the differences? Power-ups are basically just as plugins in so many websites. For example, WordPress, it has plugins. For example, Wix, it has apps, and for some others they have extensions. So it has several names, but they still work as some similar to that. For example, Power App is basically when you try to add another app or another thing that doesn't exist normally within Trello. So you can go here, click on Add Power Apps, and you can add this Power App to your board. There is so many things like book accent, reports, project by Placker, card QR code. You can add QR code here. Like there's a lot of things that you can add within your board. There's dozens of things. There's also this cool voting thing which you could add to like basically vote on an idea between your staff, so everyone can vote and basically pick an option, and you can basically decide which thing to take, or basically which decision to take. There is the automation, which is basically when something happen, a reaction will be happening, like trigger an action thing. For example, when something is done in this to-do list or in this pending list, which is gonna be taken directly to this done area without having the person himself dragging it. It will be directly done by the system, which is the automation. Also, there is within the board this filters. We can filter everything, higher priority, make also like the priority ones only shown for you, so you can literally see where is the priorities in within the system. Is it done, is it not yet done, or is it blocked? Yeah, there is a lot of things to actually get to understand and familiar yourself with then this actually app platform. So there's a lot of things to understand. So basically by using it for several days, you'll be able to actually use it without any problems. Just try, test yourself. You can create like a test board and basically try creating the template for yourself by yourself. So don't use the already made template, so you can have already an idea how board works. And you can check our channel for other videos about board, like we have dozens of them, how to add the power apps, how to make automations, like there is a lot of them. So make sure to watch them all so you can have a full idea and have a very big experience with Trello, so you don't have any problems in the future. And that's it for today's video, guys. That was completely it. It's pretty easy to create a board within Trello. The hardest part is to get to familiar yourself with it. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. Also, mention there any topic that you want us to talk about in the upcoming videos. And see you guys in the next tutorial.